It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 17th of December. I'm Michael Groff. Another chilly start to the day, and temperatures will remain below average through Thursday. As we head toward Friday and going into the weekend, we'll see a warming trend, but that'll be short-lived as a major weather pattern change begins to take place next week, one that brings in unsettled conditions, colder temperatures, and the potential of a widespread rain and mountain snow event just in time for Christmas. Let's get into it. First, we'll look at the almanac from yesterday. 62 degrees was the high in the valley, 42 the morning low. There you see those normals at 65 and 44. Outside now at 6:35 a.m., mostly clear skies out there. How about 39 degrees at Sky Harbor? Dew points at 17, humidity 41%. The winds are calm and the barometer 30.35 inches and rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 34 the cold spot in Thompson Peak. Some spots held in the 40s all night thanks to some breezes that we had. Here's the upper air look. A dry west to northwesterly flow continues. Very subsident conditions, keeping the clouds out of here, and conditions on the cool side. The watch warning map, we've got a tornado watch in effect for parts of southeast Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, and parts of Georgia. Elsewhere, winter weather advisories in the eastern Great Lakes and the Northeast. In Arizona, a couple of freeze warnings in the higher terrain. And the convective outlook for today, the slight risk of severe storms where you have that tornado watch. Elsewhere, a marginal risk extends from around Tampa Bay all the way up to Wilmington, North Carolina. Precipitation outlook valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. We're starting to see these numbers come up now, around 1/4 of an inch for us in Phoenix. Heavier totals in the higher terrain, and that's just through Tuesday morning. Keep in mind, there could be quite a bit more rain for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. We'll detail that now as we take a look at the models. Check it out. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And there's that dry west to northwesterly flow for us, a trough over the eastern half of the country. So down at the surface today, mostly sunny skies. It's a cool day, highs upper 50s and low 60s, a few degrees below normal. Tonight, clear skies in the evening, some clouds come in overnight. And that may keep temperatures up a bit. We'll have lows mid-30s to low 40s. Tomorrow, partly sunny skies, highs low to mid-60s, as a brief little short wave moves across. Won't have any real sensible impact on our weather other than some clouds. Thursday, we again start the day out in the 30s in most spots. High temperatures climb into the low and middle 60s. And then Friday, here comes a ridge building in, and this is the start of our warming trend. Mostly sunny skies, highs upper 60s. Saturday and Sunday will be in the low 70s with periods of clouds. And we see a deepening weather system off the west coast now. That trough is really starting to bottom out. Where things go from here is still a little bit uncertain, but let's go to Monday. And we see a pretty broad southerly flow developing out ahead of this system now across Arizona. The rain starts to come up. If this run of the GFS is correct, we could see some rain in here by Monday afternoon, certainly for western Arizona. Maybe some higher elevation snows. This is going to start out as a warmer system for us. We'll be in kind of the warm sector, the subtropical air being pulled in. But that'll change quickly as we go to a week from today. This is Tuesday, Christmas Eve. Now we've got a negative tilt trough beginning to come into Arizona, and this could set the stage for more unsettled conditions, showers, maybe even a few thunderstorms in the deserts and mountain snows, and temperatures would be headed down. But obviously the timing and intensity of this is going to change quite a bit between now and then. Just an idea that's on the table. Here is Christmas Day. We would still have chances of rain, mountain snows, and it'd be cold. High temperatures likely only in the 50s for us. Then go down 10 days. This is the end of the forecast period, Thursday, the 26th. And that still looks somewhat unsettled with yet another system beginning to pivot on in here. And again, there is still a lot of uncertainty, but we are just looking at a model trend that has been going on for quite a while now, and one that favors unsettled and cold conditions for next week. Speaking of checking out those temperatures through the period off the GFS ensemble, there you see we warm it up for this weekend. We may even get to a degree or two warmer than what's shown here. And the next week could be a bit colder than what's displayed here. This is just the ensemble mean, but highs will be probably below average for Christmas. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Be safe out there, and you guys have yourselves a fantastic Tuesday.